Well, it's a good thing I shaved this morning. Man, I love that shaving cream. I don't know if you guys follow me on social media, but if you've seen on Facebook or on Twitter or Instagram, there's a shaving cream that I use. It's really good. And I've been bragging about it. And it's like super, like baby smooth. Go figure. So anyway, gotta take care of some housekeeping. And the first one is hit the subscribe button, please. All right? This way, and then the notification bell, it'll ask you to be notified on any videos that come up. A lot of people write me all the time, haven't seen you in a while, or I subscribe to you, but it never comes up. Well, just make sure you've hit that subscribe button. You're subscribed to the channel, and it'll alert you every time I pop up with a new video, okay? So, today, I've seen this all over the internet. It's kind of like an internet famous thing. It's KETO Cheese-Its. Okay, so Tammy and I, we take the pea pods, that Harvest snack, and we eat those at the movie theater as our snack while we're watching the movie. But if this works, I'm gonna make this my new snack, okay? I had to completely get rid of the lazy cheese. The lazy cheese wasn't the cheese I needed. It was too thick, and that's not what the recipe calls for. It calls for the kind you get sliced at the deli. This is, I don't care what cheese it is, but it's got to have this thinness to it, okay? Because you don't want too thick or it'll get all goopy. So I started this video, I cooked it, I did everything, and it got goopy and it got messy and it was too thick. So I went to the refrigerator and grabbed my sliced pepper jack. So we're using this thickness, see? All right, so what we're gonna do is, all you do is take your pizza cutter, go ahead and slice your cheese into 4 sections. All right, like that. Okay, lay them all out. Okay, let me fill this up and we'll go to the next step, okay? Okay, so as you can see, I got them well spaced out so they're not gonna horrible looking squares. Good thing I don't cut pizza for a living. And then you're gonna put a circle in the center. You're asking me, why do you put a hole in the center? Because Cheez-Its have a little hole in the center, so we're gonna do that right now. Don't forget a pinch of salt. It's mainly to make it look like a Cheez-It, which is salted on the outside. In the oven it goes. So that's what they look like right there. So we're gonna let them cool now. Do these look like Cheez-Its? No, but I don't care if they look like them or not. Are they tasty? I don't know yet. I haven't tried one. But this one's looking pretty good. It's got a little bit of crispiness to it. You can see it right there. So let's give it a try. See if it's any good. No? It's a good crispy snack. I could eat those. So remember, get the regular sliced cheese from the deli, cut it in 4s. You don't have to put a hole in it. The holes disappear anyway. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't waste time. And that's about it. These came out really good and crispy. Just so you know, I said 15 minutes. I added another 10. Do it kind of eyeballish. When it looks like it's all browned up and crispy, pull it out and let it cool. All right. So I guess this is it. This is the KETO Cheez-It. So I tried it. I like it. But once again, use the deli cheese. Okay. That's the perfect thickness. All right. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.